Pull-ups are a fundamental exercise in strength training, renowned for their ability to build muscle mass, particularly in the back and arms. This compound movement engages multiple muscle groups, including the latissimus dorsi, biceps, and shoulders, making it an essential addition to any workout routine aimed at developing upper body strength. Despite their effectiveness, many individuals find pull-ups challenging, often struggling to perform even a single repetition. This common hurdle can be discouraging, but it's important to remember that with the right approach and techniques, anyone can improve their pull-up performance. The goal of this video is to address these struggles head-on, providing viewers with practical strategies to enhance their ability to execute pull-ups. We will explore various methods to build the necessary strength and technique, ensuring that you not only can perform pull-ups, but also do so with proper form and increased efficiency. By the end of this video, you can expect to gain valuable insights into effective training regimens, tips for overcoming mental barriers, and specific exercises that target the muscles involved in pull-ups. Whether you're a beginner looking to achieve your first pull-up or an experienced lifter aiming to increase your repetitions, the information shared here will be beneficial. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, making it easier for you to incorporate these strategies into your training routine. So, get ready to transform your pull-up game and unlock the strength potential that lies within you. With dedication and the right guidance, you'll be well on your way to mastering this powerful exercise and reaping the benefits it brings to your overall fitness journey. Performing pull-ups involves a complex interplay of mechanics and muscle engagement that is crucial for executing the movement effectively. The primary muscles activated during pull-ups include the latissimus dorsi, which is responsible for the pulling motion, and the biceps brachii, which assists in flexing the elbows. Additionally, the shoulders, particularly the teres major and the trapezius, play significant roles in stabilizing and guiding the movement. However, one often overlooked aspect of pull-up performance is the engagement of the core muscles, particularly the rectus abdominis. While many may think of the core as primarily involved in stabilizing the torso during exercises like planks or crunches, it is equally important during pull-ups. A strong core helps maintain proper body alignment and prevents excessive swinging or kipping, which can compromise form and reduce effectiveness. This is why developing core strength is essential for anyone looking to perform multiple pull-ups successfully. When the core is engaged, it provides a solid foundation that allows the upper body muscles to work more efficiently, leading to better performance and increased repetitions. Furthermore, a strong core contributes to overall body control, enabling you to initiate the pull-up movement with precision. As you pull yourself up, the core stabilizes your body, ensuring that the focus remains on the targeted muscles rather than on compensatory movements. Therefore, incorporating core strengthening exercises into your training regimen is vital for enhancing your pull-up capabilities. By understanding the mechanics and muscle engagement involved in pull-ups, you can better appreciate the importance of a strong core and the role it plays in achieving your fitness goals. With this knowledge, you'll be well equipped to improve your pull-up performance and build the upper body strength you desire. Core strength is a critical component for enhancing pull-up performance, as a strong core provides the stability needed to execute the movement effectively. Engaging the core during pull-ups not only helps maintain proper body alignment, but also prevents unnecessary swinging, allowing for a more controlled and efficient pull. To build this essential strength, incorporating specific core exercises into your training routine is vital. Two highly effective exercises are planks and ab wheel rollouts. Planks are excellent for developing overall core stability as they engage multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. Holding a plank position helps reinforce the mind-muscle connection, which is crucial for maintaining tension during pull-ups. On the other hand, AB wheel rollouts target the core in a dynamic way, challenging your stability and strength as you roll the wheel forward and back. This exercise not only builds core strength but also enhances shoulder stability, which is beneficial for pull-up performance. To effectively build core strength, it's important to follow a progression model. Start with basic planks, holding for 20 to 30 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as you become stronger. Once you're comfortable with planks, move on to side planks to target the obliques. For ab wheel rollouts, begin with a modified version such as rolling out from your knees, before progressing to a full rollout from a standing position. Incorporating these core exercises into your pull workout routine will significantly enhance your pull-up performance. Aim to include them at least 2 to 3 times a week, ensuring that you're building a solid foundation of core strength. By doing so, you'll not only improve your pull-up capabilities but also enhance your overall upper body strength and stability. Kneeling lat pull-downs and dead hangs are 2 foundational exercises that can significantly enhance your pull-up strength. While traditional seated lat pull-downs are commonly used, kneeling lat pull-downs offer unique advantages that make them more effective for developing the specific strength needed for pull-ups. By performing the exercise in a kneeling position, you engage your core more actively, promoting better stability and alignment throughout the movement. This position mimics the body mechanics of a pull-up more closely, allowing you to focus on activating the lats and other upper body muscles essential for the pulling motion. Additionally, kneeling lat pull-downs help eliminate momentum, ensuring that you are relying on muscle strength rather than using your legs to assist in the movement. Another critical aspect of pull-up performance is grip strength, which is often overlooked. Dead hangs are an excellent exercise for building grip strength, as they require you to hang from a bar with your arms fully extended. This simple yet effective exercise not only strengthens the forearms and hands, but also helps improve shoulder stability and mobility. As you hang, your body learns to engage the muscles necessary for maintaining a strong grip, which is vital for successfully executing pull-ups. To achieve optimal results, it's essential to incorporate both kneeling lat pull-downs and dead hangs into your training routine consistently. Aim to perform kneeling lat pull-downs for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements and proper form. For dead hangs, start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as your grip strength improves. By committing to these exercises regularly, you'll build a solid foundation for your pull-up performance, ultimately leading to greater strength and confidence in your upper body workouts. Eccentric pull-ups and inverted rows are 2 effective exercises that can significantly enhance your pull-up performance by focusing on strength building and muscle engagement. To execute eccentric pull-ups safely and effectively, start by using a sturdy pull-up bar. Begin by jumping or stepping up to the bar so that your chin is above it. From this position, slowly lower yourself down in a controlled manner, taking about 3 to 5 seconds to descend until your arms are fully extended. This eccentric phase is crucial for building strength, as it emphasizes the lowering motion, which recruits the same muscles used in a full pull-up. Ensure that you maintain a tight core and proper form throughout the movement to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. Aim to perform 3 to 4 sets of 3 to 5 repetitions, focusing on the control of your descent. Inverted rows serve as a complementary exercise that enhances pull-up performance by targeting similar muscle groups while allowing for a different angle of engagement. To perform an inverted row, set a barbell on a squat rack or use a suspension trainer. Position yourself underneath the bar, grasping it with an overhand grip, and extend your legs out in front of you. Pull your chest towards the bar while keeping your body straight, then lower yourself back down. This exercise not only strengthens the back and biceps but also helps improve overall pulling strength, making it a perfect addition to your training regimen. As you incorporate these exercises into your routine, it's essential to track your progress and gradually increase your rep targets. Keeping a workout journal can help you monitor improvements in strength and endurance. By consistently challenging yourself and setting achievable goals, you'll build the necessary strength to perform full pull-ups with confidence and efficiency. Using resistance bands is an effective way to assist in pull-up training, especially for those who are working towards achieving unassisted pull-ups. resistance bands provide the necessary support to help bridge the gap between your current strength level and your goal of performing full pull-ups. By using bands, you can practice the pulling motion while receiving assistance, allowing you to build strength and confidence without the frustration of struggling to lift your body weight entirely. This method not only helps you develop the specific muscles involved in pull-ups but also reinforces proper form and technique. To effectively incorporate resistance bands into your training, it's essential to follow a progression strategy. Start with a thicker band that offers more assistance, allowing you to perform the movement with proper form. As you become more comfortable and your strength improves, gradually transition to lighter bands. This progression will challenge your muscles more effectively and help you adapt to the demands of unassisted pull-ups. For instance, if you start with a heavy band, aim to perform 3 to 4 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions. Once you can complete your sets comfortably, switch to a medium band and continue to build strength. As you work with resistance bands, it's crucial to focus on increasing your rep count with each workout. Set specific goals for yourself, such as adding 1 or 2 more repetitions each week. Tracking your progress will not only keep you motivated but also provide a clear indication of your strength gains. By consistently challenging yourself and gradually reducing the assistance from the bands, you'll be well on your way to achieving unassisted pull-ups. Remember, patience and persistence are key, so stay committed to your training and celebrate your progress along the way. Transitioning to unassisted pull-ups is an exciting milestone in your strength training journey, and it's essential to approach this final step with confidence and determination. After mastering band-assisted pull-ups, the next goal is to aim for body weight pull-ups. This transition signifies that you have developed the necessary strength and technique to lift your own body weight, which is a significant achievement. Start by attempting a few unassisted pull-ups, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout the movement. If you find that you can perform even 1 or 2 repetitions, celebrate this accomplishment, as it demonstrates your hard work and dedication. As you become more comfortable with unassisted pull-ups, consider adding weight to your training to further increase strength and challenge your muscles. Using a weight belt or a weighted vest can provide additional resistance, making the pull-up more demanding. This added challenge will not only help you build muscle, but also improve your overall pulling strength, allowing you to perform more repetitions with ease. Gradually increase the weight as you progress, ensuring that you maintain proper form and control during each repetition. It's crucial to remember that consistent practice and gradual progression are key to successfully transitioning to unassisted pull-ups. Incorporate pull-ups into your regular workout routine, aiming to perform them at least 2 to 3 times a week. Track your progress, noting improvements in your strength and endurance, and set realistic goals for yourself. By staying committed to your training and focusing on gradual increases in both volume and intensity, you'll continue to see gains in your pull-up performance. With patience and perseverance, you'll not only achieve unassisted pull-ups but also build a strong foundation for further strength training endeavors. As we wrap up this discussion on improving pull-up performance, let's recap the 5 key steps that can help you achieve your goals effectively. First, we emphasize the importance of building core strength through exercises like planks and ab wheel rollouts, which provide the stability needed for successful pull-ups. Second, we introduced kneeling lat pull-downs and dead hangs as foundational exercises that enhance your pulling strength and grip. Third, we discussed the process of performing eccentric pull-ups and inverted rows, which focus on strength building and muscle engagement. Fourth, we highlighted the use of resistance bands to assist in your training, bridging the gap to unassisted pull-ups while allowing for gradual progression. Finally, we talked about the transition to unassisted pull-ups, encouraging you to aim for bodyweight pull-ups and consider adding weight to further challenge yourself. We hope you found this information valuable and that it inspires you to take action in your fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and fellow fitness enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more engaging and informative content for you. Additionally, we invite you to explore our website for more personalized training resources tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking for workout plans, nutrition tips, or expert advice, we have a wealth of information available to help you reach your fitness goals. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to success, so stay committed to your training and don't hesitate to reach out for support along the way. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. CTA, at the end of this video, hit like and subscribe to the channel, and please follow Jeremy Bradford 32 on Instagram for more content.